Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Multi-purpose. The multifunctional whisk gadget. Wipe a whisk and bowl in seconds. Save the recipe. Return all that food to the bowl. Forget about the mess. Whisk wiper lifts the loops off the counter and catches drips. Perfectly fits the included 11-inch whisk. Note: whisk wiper fits other 7-wire whisks best, but doesn't fit every whisk. Note: don't expose to high heat. Hand wash only. Made in USA. Onion holder. Smart design. Onion holder sharp stitches prevent slippage and cut evenly for greater safety. And pin joints are sturdy, not easy to fall off. Widely used. The onion holder can also be used as a meat tenderizer. Long steel needle penetrates deeply into the meat to improve its taste. It is also easy to clean after use. Light in weight, everyone can use it for cooking. Claim your time. The onion holder for slicing. Save a lot of time for slicing or chopping onions. No more nasty cuts or using nails to hold onion. No more uneven slices or losing tomato juice on cutting boards. Panasonic rice cooker. Makes 6 cups of freshly cooked rice and other foods. This Panasonic rice cooker prepares up to 3 cups of uncooked rice, 6 cups cooked. Use with white, brown, yellow, short, or long grain rice and other foods including oatmeal, soups, and vegetables. One-step automatic cooking. Simple, one-step operation with the push of a button. Includes automatic shut-off function when cooking is complete. Durable non-stick coated aluminum pan. The resilient, non-stick aluminum-coated inner pan is designed to withstand years of continual heat and use, and is easy to clean. Glass lid with plastic white knob. A tempered see-through glass lid with plastic knob lets you safely monitor cooking. Included accessories. A measuring cup and rice scoop are included for easy cooking and serving. Dimensions: WXDH 240 x 198 x 210. Burger press. Say goodbye to boring burgers. The Grillaholic Stuffed Burger Press. Patty maker and burger stuffer makes it easy to stuff your burger patties with your favorite ingredients. Our hamburger patty press makes mind-blowing burgers that are bursting with flavor. Imagine burgers stuffed with gooey cheese, crispy bacon, grilled onions, and jalapenos, and more. The only limitation is your imagination. Fun and easy to use for the whole family. Our unique burger patty maker design is so easy to use that the whole family can get in on the fun. Your kids will love helping with dinner while they stuff their own burgers full of their favorite ingredients. With our Burger Maker Press, making delicious stuffed burger patties is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just press it, stuff it, seal it. You'll be asking yourself why you didn't pick up a Burger Maker sooner. Jar vacuum sealer. Suitable for 2 types of mason jars. The electric mason jar vacuum sealer contains 2 sizes of mouth seals for your daily use. To get the standard mouth seal jar, simply insert the red arrow on the standard mouth seal converter. Align it with the unlock symbol on the main unit, and then insert it inside the silicone ring in the wide mouth seal area and tighten it clockwise. At this point, the arrow is aligned with the lock symbol, which indicates a successful installation. For all your vacuum sealing needs, includes an electric vacuum sealer containing a wide mouth sealer, a standard mouth seal converter, 5 wide mouth mason jar lids, and 5 regular mouth mason jar lids, and user guide. Our food vacuum sealer kit will help you remove the air from your mason jars and extend the life of your stored food. Easy to use, the cordless vacuum sealer with standard mouth sealer converter kit is suitable for wide mouth and regular mouth mason jars not included. Make sure the electric vacuum sealer is centered and pressed firmly against the lid of the jar. Vacuum sealer, simple one-touch sealing. Easily seal your food with the dry or moist buttons. Just press to vacuum and seal dry or moist foods with this vacuum sealer machine. Perfect for preserving meats, vegetables, fruits, and more. This food vacuum sealer keeps your items fresh longer. Precision for delicate foods. Need extra care? The pulse button gives you precise control over vacuuming soft or delicate items like chips or baked goods, ensuring they stay intact. With this food sealer vacuum sealer, you can preserve your food's texture and flavor with confidence. External canister vacuuming. Expand your sealing options with the external vac button to vacuum seal food in canisters. Whether it's liquids, snacks, or smaller items, this vacuum sealer for food handles it all. No need for bulky freezer bags. Kitchen knife set. High-quality knife set. High-quality stainless steel kitchen knife set is durable and rust-resistant for longer and more frequent use. All-in-one kitchen knife set. 15-piece knife set includes 8-inch chef's knife, H slicing knife, 7-inch santoku knife, H serrated bread knife, 5-inch utility knife, 3.5-inch paring knife, 6 4.5 serrated steak knives, 1 kitchen shear, knife block with built-in knife sharpener. Sharp knife set. The knives are carefully tuned for maximum sharpness for fast food cutting. Dishwasher safe. The knife set can be washed in the dishwasher, easy and quick to operate, and dry the knife set after cleaning for easy storage, not taking up space. Dish drying mats. Maintain a perpetually clean and organized countertop. The exquisite design of our drying mat transforms it into more than just a functional product. It becomes a captivating decoration that accentuates the elegant taste of the homeowner, adding a touch of brilliance to every corner of your home. Thicker and reversible. Our silicone dish drying mat for kitchen counter features a robust and reversible design. The increased thickness and raised texture provide excellent support for items such as bowls, plates, cups, and drain racks, preventing any collapse. The enhanced thickness also ensures greater durability and resistance to tearing. With its reversible design, you can save cleanup time and maintain a dry bottom surface on the kitchen drying mat. Popcorn popper maker. The most colors to choose from. We're sure to offer your favorite color. Collapsible space-saving design. Allow you to store the popcorn maker in a small drawer and is perfect for RVs and college dorm rooms. Convenient, easy grab handles. The Salisbury popcorn maker has built-in handles that make it easy to remove from the microwave. Always use caution with removing hot products from a microwave. Easy to use. Our popcorn maker is easy to use, easy to clean, and easy to store. And since it's silicone, it's virtually indestructible. It's also dishwasher safe. Save money. Using the Salisbury popcorn popper saves you money versus using bagged popcorn, and it helps save the earth from unwanted and extra trash. Toaster tongs. Meet Bernie, the bunniest toaster tongs ever. Made by design-awarded Ototo Studio, Bernie the bunny-shaped toaster tongs are ready to conquer even the toughest of hurdles. Once the toast is ready, he'll hop in to serve your breakfast. Comfiest non-slip grip. Don't ever stress about the mess with Bernie. Made from non-slip and heat-resistant beechwood material, our mini tongs for appetizers offer an ergonomic and secure grip that can help you grab toast